Winter vocabulary. Snow. Soft, white ice that falls from the sky in winter.
The snow fell all night and covered the ground.
Snowman. Snowman is snow shaped like a person.
We made a snowman after the big snowfall.
Ice. Frozen water that is hard and slippery.
The ice on the lake is thick enough to skate on.
Boots. Strong shoes for walking in snow or rain.
I need my boots to walk in the snow.
Icicle. A hanging piece of ice formed when dripping water freezes.
Icicles hung from the roof, glistening in the winter sun.
Shiver. To tremble or shake because of cold or fear.
She started to shiver after standing outside in the snow for too long.
Hibernate. To spend the winter in a sleep-like state to save energy, usually for animals.
Bears hibernate during the winter to survive the cold months.
Glacier. A large, slow-moving mass of ice formed from compacted snow.
The glacier in the mountains has been shrinking due to global warming.
Fireplace. A structure in a home where a fire is built for heating.
We sat by the fireplace to warm up after playing in the snow.
Snowstorm. A heavy fall of snow, often with strong winds.
The snowstorm lasted all night, leaving a thick blanket of snow.
Frostbite. Injury to skin caused by freezing temperatures.
His fingers turned red from frostbite after forgetting his gloves.
Avalanche. A sudden fall of snow down a mountain slope.
Skiers must be careful to avoid triggering an avalanche.
Thermometer. A device that measures temperature.
The thermometer showed -10 degrees Celsius outside this morning.
Skates. Shoes with blades or wheels used for gliding on ice or surfaces.
We put on our skates and went ice skating at the rink.
Sled. A vehicle used to slide over snow or ice.
The kids took their sled to the hill for some winter fun.
Igloo. A dome-shaped house made of snow blocks, traditionally by Inuit people.
They built an igloo in the backyard using packed snow.
Plow. A vehicle or tool used to clear snow from roads or paths.
The snowplow cleared the street so he could drive again.
Wind. Moving air that can feel cold in winter.
The wind made the day feel colder.
Slide. To move smoothly over snow or ice.
We slide down the hill on a sled.
Thanks for watching.